Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm doing an unboxing of Kit 41 from the Papercraft Society. This is a Papercraft subscription box. You can subscribe month to month, so you can opt in and out, you can kind of pause it, you can see the next month's box and then decide if you want it. So it's quite good that way. You can also then do quarterly, 6 monthly or yearly. Yearly is the cheapest option, so it works out cheaper per box. But also if once they've gone out to subscribers, if there's any open stock left, then it goes on the website. So as I do this video today, there is still stock of the kit. So like I said, if it's something you like, go and check it out. But I also have a whole playlist of, well, all of the boxes. They are all on there up to 41. So you can get a really good idea of just how varied they are, because it's a different designer every month bringing something different. So it does encourage you to maybe craft outside of your comfort zone, try something new. It's really good. So this one, like I said, has been designed by Chloe. The decoration on the box is always an indication of the theme and the colours inside. So we've got gold, we've got a little bit of glitter on there, and that lovely, beautiful pink colour. So inside here, some crafters just sparkle. And then I always like to look inside the envelope first, and then we'll look in the tissue. So if you do make anything using the kits, you want to just use the hashtag Papercraft Society. So we've got lots of good stuff here. I'm going to take all the plastic off first, and then we can have a better look. So we'll look at the stamp set first, because I think the dies coordinate. So you've got these gorgeous flowers. Obviously Chloe is known for her sparkle and her floral dies and stamps. So you've got these lovely big ones here, 3 different sizes. You've got the leaves there, little sprigs, and then you've got the sentiment, sending a little sparkle, happy birthday. And this one says, hope lots of lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a lovely day. And you've got the little frames there, that's all separate, and just a decorative little panel there as well. And then the dies, these 3 main flowers, will cut those there. And then you've got these leaf shapes here, so you can just die cut them in green. And then this one here, I think, yeah, no, it doesn't coordinate. So that is just, you can cut that on its own. It'll give you a nice effect. And then you've got these very detailed panels. So that all cuts out. And then you've got a stitch detail and that scalloped edge, and you've got a smaller one. The inspiration booklet will show us exactly how this is all meant to be used. So we've got that one and that one. And then for the papers, or the specialty paper, we've got these here. Now I just saw, so these are all, so these are laser cut sparkle. You can see what they are on the back, sparkle embellishments. So let's just pop this one out. Oh, I love the smell. They all come out really easily. There you can see. Those are nice solid pieces. And you get loads. There's 2 sheets, but there's a lot. You can see how much they popped on the sheet there. So you've just got all different swells, all different sprigs, different leaves there. So 2 sheets of that. And then for the papers, you've got, oh, it's actually card. Oh, it's pearlized. This is the first time I've seen pearlized card in the kits. Oh, and it's double-sided as well. Again, first time. I don't mind double-sided, but then I do feel sad that I've got to choose. But saying that, they are pretty plain. They're nice watercolour washes. I'm thinking they'd be nice for 3D makes, little boxes, because then that would be like the inside and you've got that pretty pattern on the outside. So we'll see. Yeah, no, that's okay actually. I can live with that. They are beautiful, really pretty. I love that shine. That one's gorgeous there. Matches my nails. So you get 4 sheets. So that's everything in the envelope. Let's see what's in the tissue paper. So we have a pot of glitter. I don't think it's embossing powder. I think it is glitter. And then what have we got in here? Something very colourful. I like to decant all the embellishments into, I've got some little jars. Oh wow, I've not got these. So we've got my favourite holographic butterflies. Ah, they are beautiful. Oh, I love them. They are right up my street. I'll definitely be using these. And they've got little holes you can thread, you know, string through them. They are so cool. They are really shiny. They're like purples and pinks, and then there's blues. You got yellows and golds. And you've got small flowers, you've got tiny embellishments. It's just a beautiful mix. And there's loads in there, all different colours. So I just need to Get that back in there. Okay, then we've got some organza ribbon. We've got 2 embossing folders. So you've got that panel there and then this kind of corner detail. And then you've got your booklet with all the inspiration in. So let me just save those. Okay, so on the front there, already you can see how beautiful those flowers look. They've been heat embossed on one of the papers there. And you can see those glittery leaves that have been used in the background with the sentiment. And then I'll just show some of the samples. I don't like to give too much away, because if this is something new for someone, you've never seen this before, then it's nice to still have some surprises. But I'll show you this one. This is stunning. So they've been heat embossed on vellum, like a pink vellum. You can see the paper in the background, those glittery embellishments. You've got the bow there using the ribbon and the embellishment, and then that sentiment. That's really, really pretty. And you've got step by step, so there's, you know, the booklet shows you how to make all of these as well. This one here on the very front shows the detail of the corner with the embossing folders there. So that's really nice. And again, the sentiments there. And then I'll just show you the die panels. There you go. You can see on this one here, you've got those panels and the butterflies. Those embellishments have been used to make a shaker card, which is really sweet. So that's everything inside box number 41 from the Papercraft Society. Like I said at the start, the links to this box will be shared below, along with a link to the Papercraft Society, so you can check that out. Look at the playlist, again, go through there just so you can get an idea of, you know, just how varied the boxes are. You can start right from number 1 if you want, which was over 2 years ago now, so they've been going for quite some time. I know lots of people enjoy these. And like I said, whether you want to take out a subscription or just buy them as you see them, you've got those options. Thank you as always for watching. If you've enjoyed today, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.